Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This is Priyasha Das and welcome to the free CMAT crash course day 7 where we'll be covering the literature and awards section of the GK. Don't worry, we'll cover up current affairs as well as static GK. And of course, for the ones who are new to the channel, you guys need to know that these questions are hand-picked questions, or you can also say that they are completely in line with what you will see in the past 5 years paper of CMAT. So in questions को काफी ध्यान से select किया गया है so that when you are doing lesser number of questions you should be aware of what's the pattern, what type of questions they focus on, कौन से section पे उनका ज्यादा ध्यान रहता है. See, GK is really vast and अगर आप चाहो भी ना कि मैं बैठ के अभी 800 पेजेस की ल्यूसेंट वाली बुक पढ़ लूंगा या वो बुक पढ़ लूंगा, ये सबके PDFs पढ़ लूंगा, तो इट साउंड्स प्रिटी कूल कि हाँ ये पॉसिबल है, बट टेक्निकली इतना कुछ रिटेन कर पाना पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो व्हेन वी आर डिस्कसिंग थिंग्स इन आवर वीडियो हियर, we will be doing some hand picked things जो कि repeatedly पूछे गए हैं. Now when I say repeatedly पूछे गए हैं, by that I mean कि उस pattern के question और उस section के questions पूछे गए. I'll explain it better when I'll go with the questions. And the second thing is that you guys need to see कि जब भी आप options देखते हो मेरे किसी भी question में, तो आप उन options पर अपना further study कर सकते हो. For example, you can see the first question on my screen. There are 4 different names, right? तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो वन ऑफ देम है ही, बट द अदर पीपल यू जस्ट डू अ क्विक गूगल सर्च. व्हेन यू डू अ क्विक गूगल सर्च, आपके स्क्रीन की राइट हैंड साइड पे, अगर आप मॉनिटर पे या फिर लैपटॉप पे कर रहे हो, तो राइट हैंड साइड पे एक छोटा सा विकिपीडिया का 1 पैराग्राफ थिंगी आता है. यू जस्ट नीड टू गो थ्रू दैट. उतना ही जानना आपके लिए मोर देन इनफ होगा. दैट्स हाउ यू आर सपोज्ड टू यूज माय वीडियोस. ओके, दिस इज हाउ वी विल प्रिपेयर टुगेदर. एंड ऑफ कोर्स, if you are new, let me tell you that you have to first solve the questions on your own and then we will start. So let's start with the first question. Who wrote the book An Autobiography? This person is very famous, guys. Then the answer is none other than Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. We should know that it's also known as a Towards Freedom book, okay, and it was written in 1936. So it's a very famous book, especially for the independence of India. And you know that NTA is setting the paper, तो उसका इंडिया के प्रति प्यार कभी कम नहीं होने वाला. So whenever you are focusing on GK, focus on things very very forced or very very close to India. Now, second question and the third one, try it on your own. Who has been chosen for the Professor Kotapalli Jayashankar Award? This is a special award, okay? And why is it given for and whom is it given to? The answer of this question is Acharya N. Gopi. Now, before I talk about Acharya N. Gopi, I want to tell you that अगर आपको किसी भी questions के answers नहीं आ रहे हैं, that doesn't mean that you will be sad about it कि exam इतना close है और मुझे तो इसका answer पता नहीं था. You should actually be happy that you got to learn something new from this video and saved yourself from doing a blunder mistake in the exam directly. तो आप कुछ नया सीख रहे हो इस वीडियो के थ्रू, तो इसलिए खुश रहना. Don't worry about how much you're scoring or how much you already know. Okay, so let's get started. Now let us talk about Acharya N. Gopi and this award. So this eminent poet and literary critic, he is a Sahitya Academy Award winner also, Acharya N. Gopi. He has been selected as the Professor Kotapalli Jayashankar Award, and this award is actually instituted by Bharat Jagruti. ये जो भारत जागृति है, it's a cultural organization and it's an extended arm of Bharat Rashtra Samiti. So आचार्य गोपी को अभी तक उन्होंने कम से कम 56 बुक्स लिख रखे हैं एंड 26 कंपाइलेशन ऑफ पोएम्स लिख रखे हैं. very very literary like very very renowned person in the field of literature. So you should know about Acharya and Gopi as well. Okay, और साथ ही साथ इन लोगों को एक बार छोटा सा गूगल सर्च कर लेना एंड जस्ट एक कोई प्रोमिनेंट बुक इनकी जस्ट रीड इट. कुछ नहीं जानने से अच्छा है कि एक बुक भी अगर पढ़ लो ना गूगल में तो इट विल बी इनफ. पूरा पढ़ने नहीं बोल रही हूँ, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू टू see the name of their books. That's all. Question number 3, everyone. Let's go. Who wrote the book Gora? The answer of this question is Rabindranath Tagore. 2 reasons why I kept it. First of all, this book is very much again related to Indian society. I'll talk about it. And secondly, if you guys know that tomorrow is Rabindra Jayanti, okay, the birthday of Rabindranath Tagore, 8th of May. So keeping this in mind that it is very close to the CMAT examination, also this book is very much related to or is actually talking about the influences the Indian society has, and it has how it has emerged as a debate between Brahmo Samaj and Hinduism. काफी कुछ है इस book में, तो ये आपको जानना जरूरी है। ऊपर से रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी के बारे में तुम जानते ही हैं, ही इज द फर्स्ट नोबेल लॉरिएट इन लिटरेचर फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड ही गॉट इट इन 1913। तो इसलिए दिस पर्सन एज वेल एज दिस बुक होल्ड्स अ लॉट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस, तो इसीलिए स्पेसिफिकली इसको मैंने वीडियो में रखा है। आई एम गिविंग यू जस्टिफिकेशंस आल्सो, ये प्रॉपर रिसर्च वर्क है, ऐसे ही रैंडमली उठा के कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आपको वीडियो में नहीं दे रही हूं मैं, ओके। एंड द फोर्थ वन गाइस, who was conferred with the points of light honor by the British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. You must be knowing that Rishi Sunak is so much in news, okay, and he has given this award to someone, and the name of the award is Points of Light Honor. Who is this person? Option C is the right answer, Rajinder Singh Dutt. And who is he and what is it all about? Let's talk about it. So, during a UK India Week reception, British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak bestowed a Points of Light Honor upon Rajinder Singh Dutt, who is one of the few remaining Sikh soldiers who participated in the World War II. He is currently 101 years old, and that was actually, known for his service and his efforts in leading the Undivided Indian Ex-Servicemen's Association. And therefore, he is aiming to unite all the British Indian veterans of the war. So, इसलिए उन्हें स्पेशली ये अवार्ड दिया गया, वेरी फेमस, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स ये इंटर रिलेशन शो करता है ब्रिटिश और इंडियंस के बीच में, तो you can understand how important it is. But also do a quick search about these three other folks in Google as well for your additional part. And वीडियो को अब तक देख लिया है और लाइक नहीं किया, तो I request all of you to please like this video, share it with more and more people so that this channel grows at a faster rate. And most importantly, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It's absolutely free, but helps me a lot to reach my targets in YouTube algorithm. And now let's get back to the questions. But हाँ, एक चीज और, thank you so very much for your so lovely wishes and blessings in the comment section and the personal DMs. I love you a lot and I'll reply back to each one of you definitely. Just getting some time out of here. Thank you so much, everyone. Now let's go back to the fifth question. Who wrote the book Kora Kagaz? Well, Kora Kagaz Bhai. इस पे बहुत सारे गाने बने हैं इंडी बॉलीवुड में, पुराने गाने बोल रही हूँ, अच्छे अच्छे गाने, ठीक है। और कोरा कागज के पीछे बहुत सारी स्टोरीज भी है। The writer herself, okay, I gave out the answer. It's Amrita Pritam. The writer herself is very famous for her romantic relationships all around. एंड कि उनकी बुक्स, उनकी पोएम्स काफी ज्यादा फेमस है, नॉवेल्स काफी ज्यादा फेमस है। एक रिसेंटली गाना भी चल रहा था, आपा फिर मिलांगे, है ना, उसकी तो वो एक्चुअली इंस्पायर्ड है उनकी ही बुक्स से। एनीवेज, तो आप अमृता प्रीतम के बारे में नहीं जानते हो, तब थोड़ा सा छोटा सा सर्च कर सकते हो। शी एक्चुअली बिलोंग्ड टू दैट रोमांटिक प्रोग्रेसिज्म लिटरेरी मूवमेंट एंड हैज written both in Punjabi and Hindi. Okay, now let's go to the sixth and the seventh question. Sixth question asks you, which union ministry has invited applications for national oh my god, such a tongue twister this is, metallurgist awards, एंड दिस इज अवार्ड्स ऑफ 2023। तो आपको क्या लगता है किस मिनिस्ट्री ने ये किया होगा? मेटलर्जी है तो किसकी सरदर्द होगी है? ऑफ कोर्स इट इज डेफिनेटली फॉर नंबर ए, दैट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टील। उनको ही सारी पढ़ी होगी इसके बारे में। दे हैव ओनली इनवाइटेड एप्लीकेशंस, व्हाई? Because the interested individuals can submit their applications through an online web portal, and इसमें 4 कैटेगरीज में अवार्ड दिए जाएंगे। लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड, नेशनल metallurgist award, young metallurgist award, and also environment and metal science award, ठीक है। और ये सारे कुछ आयरन एंड स्टील सेक्टर में ही किया जाएगा। Now let's go to the seventh question quickly. Who has been chosen as the recipient of the 41st Lokmanya Tilak Award? NTA guys, mat bhulna, this exam is set up by NTA, so do not forget about that. All right, so let's start. The answer is definitely Narendra Modi. Okay, and let me tell you that what is this award all about and who has given this award. So this award was given to Prime Minister by the Tilak Smarak Mandir Trust. This is a trust, and this award was given last year 1st of August 2023, and this award is presented annually by this trust on the occasion of the Lokmanya Tilak's death anniversary. Remember, death anniversary. And India इसके ऊपर एक स्टैटिक जीके क्वेश्चन भी बन सकता है कि ये अवार्ड डेथ एनिवर्सरी में दिया जाता है या फिर बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे, ठीक है। उसके बाद you need to know that Indian PM has been chosen for this award in recognition of his exceptional leadership and his efforts in fostering a sense of patriotism among the citizens. You know better. Okay, 8 and 9. In the question number 8 and 9, read it and please tell me the answer. Authors related question है और awards के भी question है. Who wrote the book Rang Bhumi? Very famous again. Rang Bhumi is the famous book written by Premchand. Okay, what you need to know about it is that Rang Bhumi talks about caste system and marginalized status of women. ये दो most talked about things है in a society. तो अगर आपने ये बुक नहीं भी पढ़ी है ना तो भी the folks would expect you to know about these things in India. So that's why if you come across books which are talking about these stuff, have a list of those 10 most famous books in that category. जो कि हिंदुइज्म के बारे में बात करी है, पैट्रियटिज्म के बारे में बात करी है, कास्ट सिस्टम्स की बात कर रही है या फिर मार्जिनलाइज स्टेटस की बात करी है, आइदर फॉर वुमेन और फॉर एनी स्पेशल सेक्शन. All right, let's go. The next question: what is the revised prize amount for the Nobel Prize winners according in like around 2023? So the new prize amount has increased to 11 million Swedish crowns. Okay, now here the Nobel Foundation has increased the price. ठीक है, उन्होंने प्राइस बढ़ा दिया. पहले 8 millions था, अभी 11 millions कर दिया है. Good for them. Now now 10 and 11. The first question is, who is the author of recently released book Why Bharat Matters? भारत एक बहुत important term है जो अभी काफी ज्यादा in था. We are still getting votes on whether to go for Bharat or whether to go for India and stuff like that. So ये book बहुत ही famous personality ने लिखी है जिनका नाम है S Jaishankar. Okay, please Google search the other people as well, but currently you guys need to know that who is S Jaishankar. He is the External Affairs Minister and he has released his new book on an event in New Delhi itself. This book examines India's transformation in the foreign policy over the past decade under PM Modi. So foreign policy पर based है. This is what you need to remember or know about this book. पूरी book पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. It also juxtaposes India's evolution with the Ramayana, and Jaishankar outlined how 2024 will be the turbulent one due to the geopolitics, but India can face challenges given its strength. Now here are the last two questions on your screen, everyone. Which institution announced special awards to the artists above 75 years of age? तो age के factor पर special awards release करने वाली organization का नाम है Sangeet Natak Academy. Okay, they have announced special one-time awards commemorating the 75 years of India's independence to some 84 artists. Exactly 84 artists को ये दिया जाएगा who are above 75 years of age and haven't been accorded any national honor in their career so far. ठीक है, इसे कहते हैं अमृत अवार्ड. ये अवार्ड का नाम हो जाएगा Amrit Award. You need to know that. Amrit Awards were presented by the Vice President of India. Who is he? Jagdeep Dhankar. And he would give it to a total of 84 artists, including 70 men and 14 women. Okay, fine then. The last question: who is the author of The Complete Adventures of Feluda? बहुत famous book है ये. Fiction है, but I'm not sure how many of you know about it. तो नहीं पता तो अभी पता कर लो. This book is written by acclaimed Indian filmmaker. The name is Satyajit Ray and features the fictional Bengali detective Feluda, who solves murder mysteries along with his cousin and crime writer friend. Okay, that's a very funny book as well. So if you get time, you can read the synopsis in Google. And the most important part of this video is to ask you, how was this video? Please comment below and let me know. I really get motivated by reading your comments, and no matter how busy my schedule is and in which part of the world I am, I definitely make sure that I take out some time to be updated with you guys for sure and release videos as well, because I know that exam is so close. So based on that, guys, please do comment below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And most importantly, बिना भूले share जरूर कर देना. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, study hard, and I'm always there for you. I'm just a DM away on Instagram. Follow me there and send your query. I'll be answering. Thank you so much. Take care. Love, love.